Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is a huge day. I could barely sleep last night because I'm moving into my new apartment today. For the past month, I've been in my apartment building, but not my specific apartment. They put me in a different apartment while my apartment was being completed. So I'm finally moving and decorating my apartment today. I have a really cool partnership that I want to show you guys all the pieces. I'm partnering with Amazon to decorate my room. This is my first ever apartment, so little baby is growing up. It's my junior year already. Like, where did the time go? So right now I'm about to go skateboard to CVS to buy cleaning products, clean the whole apartment. I'll show you guys it, and then I'll probably just start decorating. Okay, I'm so excited, guys. There's so much natural light, a lot of windows. Here is the bed, so it's already a foam mattress, which is really nice. I already wiped everything down. There's the closet, and there's a chair, there's a desk. And the view's nothing crazy, but it is Philadelphia, so you can see some skyscrapers. I'm a city girl, so this is perfect for me. So then I have my own bathroom here as well. Let me turn on the light. It's just a nice standard toilet, sink. Behind the door, we have a shower here. Love it. So yeah, it's all connected to my room. So then outside of my room, we have the kitchen, which is so nice. I finally get to cook this year, super excited. Then the living room with, again, huge windows. The ceiling's very high, which is really nice. Those are really cute lights, kind of like spotlights in the kitchen and in the living room. And then we have a smart TV, which is so nice. I've never had a TV, actually. That's my own, so that's really cool. TV stand. And then down here, we have the guest bathroom and also my roommate's bathrooms. And I have two roommates. One of their doors is here. And then this is the laundry room, which is nice. I have laundry room in my apartment. Then the last of my roommate's room is here. So instead of doing like a long move-in video, I'm actually just gonna show you guys some really quick segments of me decorating so we can get to the finished product really quickly, and then I'll definitely give you guys a final tour at the end and show you some of my favorite products. So let's go ahead and start decorating. I'm so excited. Hey guys, so it is so early right now, but I have a class coming up in like an hour maybe, and my room is done and I love it so much and I want to show you guys it. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I've been working on my room for so long, maybe like 5 days straight. Also, this video is partnered with Amazon Prime Student. Amazon is a company I absolutely adore, but Amazon Prime Student was made for college students so that we can get millions of items, the access to millions of items to be delivered to us smoothly, safely, and quickly. So a lot of my items today I got from Amazon, which I'll be pointing out to you guys. So let's go ahead and tour this room. So I'm gonna start off the tour with my corner rack. I love this rack. I have on top of it 2 records. So I got these at a thrift shop. Yes, I don't have a record player right now. I am investing in one, but I got these 2 because they really match the theme of my room and match the colors perfectly. It's so funny. Every time I FaceTime somebody, they think this is an Indian man. They're like, who's the Indian man in your room? It is literally just a record. So that's my rack. Behind it, I have my favorite plant. It is so big, guys. Bringing this home was so much work, guys. I'm a plant mom, so this is my baby. And underneath I have my first Amazon purchase, which was the flower pot for the plant. I actually had a pot that was way too small. I was freaking out. I was like, yo, my plant's gonna die. I need a new pot. Boom, it was here in 2 days. So behind it, I have some string lights, excuse me. going up the wall and then draping around onto my bed. I love this bed. It is no longer a twin. I am out of the dorm life. I am an apartment girl, so my bed is now a queen. I wanted it to be more like a couch bed than a normal bed, so that's why I have so many pillows in the middle there with a throw blanket. The duvet on the bed, the comforter, I actually got from Amazon. It came so quick and it's absolutely amazing, guys. So soft. It is linen. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's the exact type of fabric I wanted to give the room more of like a very relaxy, warm tone. It's like an off-white canvas looking type of fabric. Another perk with the Amazon Prime student account is that you can watch movies for free. So I watch a lot of movies on my iMac. It's right in front of my bed, so I'll be chilling on my bed, watching movies, watching lecture. It's in the perfect spot. I absolutely adore this corner. I do have my ukulele here. If you know me, I love to play the ukulele, and from Amazon, I got a new speaker. My old speaker broke and I needed a speaker for move-in because moving in takes so long and it's so boring without music. So I Amazoned this new JBL into the bathroom. I had these paintings up in my room freshman year, but now it's like it's time to, you know, upgrade, grow up. So let me put this in the bathroom instead of out in the open. So now my bathroom is bedazzled and literally fashionable, and I love fashion, so these are really nice to have around while I go poop, pee, whatever I have to do. And then on the sink we have my normal stuff. We have a plant, of course, I love plants. And then also I use my necklace hanger for my mask. Then we have the shower here, and then also I put a mirror behind the door just in case I want to check out my outfit from the bathroom point of view. I also put this mirror clock that I've had since freshman year in the middle of the windows, which I really like it there. My favorite part of the entire room is this clothing rack I got. Again, 2-day shipping, came smoothly, swiftly, no cracks, nothing wrong. So this is a perfect place to plan outfits. I just put it up on this rack. Also, it's decorative. All of these colors are actually the only colors I really wear. This is my Instagram color scheme, but it's really nice to have out and just remind myself, okay, like today we're gonna try a new outfit. And then at the bottom, it also has room for you to put your shoes, which has been really helpful as I have way too many shoes. So that basically concludes my apartment tour for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to sign up for Amazon Prime Student. If you are a university student, you can get the first 6 months with no cost, 0 cost. So there's literally no harm, no foul in signing up. So please make sure you go check it out because I love it. Also in the description box, I'm gonna put all of the Amazon items I bought today. So if you want to bedazzle your apartment, house, dorm, room with any of the items that I used today, then you can find them in the description box. Otherwise, have a wonderful day and I will catch you guys at the next video. Bye.